If you are looking for a passive income method in 2024, the best and easiest way to do it is by starting a faceless YouTube channel. Creators are making thousands of dollars with YouTube Shorts. Channels like Living Wisdom and Quotes have made millions of dollars using these faceless YouTube channels. The only issue is that those niches are highly saturated now. Those who started those niches first have gained a lot of success in the last few months. That's why I decided to create this video about this golden niche. This niche is one of the best niches to start on YouTube if you want to make money through it. It's because this niche is 100% monetizable. Making money from YouTube is not an easy process. You can't do it overnight. If you want to know how I created this channel and monetized it within just 3 months, watch this video. You can apply the same method. Now let me show you an example video about this niche. Then we can go to the step-by-step process of making videos for this niche.
Did you know the Eiffel Tower was once considered an eyesore by many Parisians? Hard to believe, right? Let's dive into some fascinating facts about this iconic landmark. The Eiffel Tower, standing tall in the heart of Paris, was completed in 1889. It was built by Gustave Eiffel's company for the 1889 World's Fair to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. This iron giant is 324 meters tall, which is about the height of an 81-story building. At the time, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world and held that title for 41 years until the Chrysler Building in New York City was completed. The Eiffel Tower isn't just about height. It's made of 18,038 iron parts, held together by 2.5 million rivets. Despite its massive size, it only weighs about 10,000 tons. Pretty light for such a big structure, huh?
I'm going to call this niche the Famous Places niche. Now, let's start the video creation process. The first thing we need is a list of famous places. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask create a list of 50 popular and important places, buildings, bridges, and historical buildings around the world. Here you have a list of 50 places. You can create 50 videos using the names. Now, we need to create a script for this video. My first video is going to be about the Eiffel Tower. So let's use ChatGPT again for this. This is the prompt I'm going to use. I will leave this script as a comment on this video. You guys can use it. Let's generate the script now. Okay, I think this is perfect. We can use this for our video. Now we need to generate voiceovers for this video. Again, the voice we are going to use should not sound like an AI voice. That's why we need to select an ultra-realistic AI voice generator, where your viewers won't be able to say that this voice is AI generated. ElevenLabs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in ElevenLabs. You can even clone your voice with this. So you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
In seed time learn, in harvest teach, in winter enjoy.
I think this voice is good for our project. Let's add it to the voice library. Now all you need to do is copy the script part by part and generate all the voiceovers. Now, let me show you how to create a video about this specific place like you saw in the example video. For this process, we are going to use Google Earth Studio. First, go to Google Earth Studio and sign up. Now, you need to fill this information, and they will ask for what purpose you are going to use Google Earth Studio. Just type, you are going to create videos about places. Then you can submit it, and you will get accepted to this website. Now click this Try Earth Studio button, and you will come to this page. Click this drop-down menu and select Quick Start. Here you can see different types of options that you can record that specific place. You can zoom in from Earth's orbit, or you can make a spiral camera view video, and there are several options. Now, I'm going to make 3 videos from this, with different views and camera angles. For the first video, I'm going to select the first option where we can create a zoom-in video from outer space. After that, you need to search for the place you want here. In this case, it's going to be the Eiffel Tower. Okay, then all you need to do is select that location. Now, you will come to this page. Using this bar, you can adjust the zoom-in size. I'm not going to go all the way to the space. Let's start around here. After adjusting that, click this next button and you will come to this place. You can see the preview of this video. We are going to create short videos. Therefore, we need to select a 16:9 ratio. For that, go to Files and select Project Settings. The name change these sizes into 1080 and 1920 like this. Then you can click this render option and download the video. Now, I'm going to create another video from a different angle. Just like we did before, let's select Quick Start. I'm going to select this spiral zoom option, then search for the place again. With these bars, you can edit a lot of things such as the angle, zoom in, or zoom out. Just play with these and create a cool effect. Then click this next button. Now you can change the duration of your video from here. In this case, they have set it to be 25 seconds. I'm gonna keep it as it is. If you want, you can change it to any amount. Then, let's go to the next page. Again, make sure to change the size of the video to 19:6 ratio, and you can click this render button and download the video again. Just like this, you can create as many videos you need from this Google Earth Studio. Now, I'm going to download some stock footage related to this place, and then we can combine all the videos and create the final output. Let's go to Pexels.com and download some videos. Make sure to select cool videos from these. Now, all we need is good background music. As usual, we can use Pixabay.com to download good background music. After you download it, we can start the editing process. I'm going to use CapCut to edit this video. It's a free video editing software. You can download it to your phone or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. Start a new project and select this Modify button from the side menu. You can change the project name and select the correct dimensions, which is 16:9 ratio from here. Okay, now import all the materials we created and downloaded for this video to here. Then, drag the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order and make sure to remove the silence part from those layers. You can remove these silent parts by using this tool. Just cut these parts like this and delete all of them. After you edit those, add the videos we generated on top of the voice layers. Now, you must combine these video clips with stock footage. It's better if you can change the videos for every 15 seconds. This is a very simple process. Just take your time and edit these. After that, go to transitions and add some cool transitions like this between clips. It will improve the quality of your video. Then, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then, select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Make sure that these captions stand out, so I will select this cool font. It's suitable for this niche. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. Now we need to add some sliding animations. Go to Animations and select Captions from the top menu. There are several animations for captions here. I will select this specific animation. This animation is really cool because it shows word by word instead of full sentences. After that, we need to add the background music we downloaded. Add it under the voiceovers and make sure to reduce its volume so that it matches with the voiceover sound. Then you can export the final output. So guys, just like this, you can create videos for this niche. I hope you learned something from this video. I will see you in the next video.